Global issues are increasingly complex, and the detrimental consequences are irreversible and exponential. In the current scenario, global cooperation and collaboration is more vital than ever. At Technip Energies, our purpose is to break boundaries together to engineer a sustainable future. And we want to use our abilities to unleash talents, to resolve complexity, to overcome challenges, and to foster a sustainable ecosystem for industry and the planet. In 2021, we started a new journey. We engaged with our people and external stakeholders to better understand our ecosystem and determine what matters most. This extensive process has led to the delivery of an ambitious and robust environmental, social, and governance roadmap, which is part of our shared DNA, and it is how we contribute to the Sustainable Development Goals. Today, we are proud to introduce Together by 10, our ESG pledge for a sustainable future. Our first pillar is focused on driving solutions for the climate. To ensure robust and transparent climate actions, we are committed to the Science Based Target Initiative. We will reduce our Scope 1 and 2 greenhouse gas emissions by 30% by 2025 to get to net zero by 2030, in line with the Paris Agreement. In 2022, we will measure our full Scope 3 emissions in order to define the actions to be taken in our value chain. Our second ambition is to accelerate innovation and digitalization. We will increase our R&D focus on the energy transition, and we will use digitalization to help our clients make carbon-conscious choices. We will establish technology pathways for our clients to achieve their net zero ambitions. We will also enhance circularity and protect biodiversity by building a sustainable by design offering while improving our environmental performance. Our second pillar is enabling people to thrive. Our top priority is to foster an inclusive culture. We are taking concrete actions to advance our inclusion in action journey and increase diversity, targeting 25% of women in leadership positions by 2025. We are also aiming to reach 50% of women in our graduate intake to ensure future fair representation. We safeguard our people and reinforce well-being by adhering to the highest standards everywhere we operate. Our safety will be enriched by the Behavior-Based Safety Program. We give employees a voice to assess the key drivers of engagement through a global survey. And we create a strong sense of belonging by providing a set of global core benefits. We aim to attract and grow talents by creating unique opportunities and giving our teams the right tools. We will continue to invest in innovative learning methods. And we will launch an Energy Transition International Graduate Program by 2023. Finally, we will train all our employees in our ESG roadmap. We lead responsibly. We integrate ESG into our business strategy by incorporating ESG criteria into tendering activity and investment processes. And we prioritize opportunities with a low-carbon agenda and high energy efficiency. We strengthen ESG accountability and transparency by ensuring that all levels of our organization meet our ESG targets. We're strengthening the ESG skills on the board of directors, where we aim to have 40% of women by 2024, and 25% of our compensation incentives will be based on major ESG metrics. We foster integrity and have zero tolerance for corruption. We are committed to abandoning the use of commercial intermediaries, and we are improving our anti-bribery and anti-corruption training program and a speak-out culture. We collaborate to impact. We aim to join forces and bridge expertise across industries by engaging our ecosystem to unlock innovative opportunities. We incubate and develop technologies. We scale up breakthrough technologies, and we work with international R&D institutions. With our partners, we are working towards a sustainable supply chain that will foster best practice in human rights, safety, climate, and the environment. ESG will be fully integrated into our qualification process, and our ESG councils will be our innovation think tank. The protection of human rights is an essential business principle, and we want to ensure that our projects have a human rights management system. We are supporting the development of local communities by encouraging our employees to volunteer in community development programs and local initiatives. By 2025, we aim to reach 30,000 volunteering hours every year. And finally, this is our ESG scorecard. It translates our commitments into action and measures our ESG performance. Together, we can overcome any challenge. We are Technip Energies. We break boundaries together to engineer a sustainable future.